For an accurate margin and therefore an accurate CLV, we recommend that you include in Reveal your costs of customer acquisition and costs of customer retention. You can do this by going into Store Settings, scrolling a bit down, and in Costs. You will see here we had on this demo account a few trials. We will add a new cost now, so you can see the process from the very beginning. You've got some tips on adding costs, and you've got some details about this if you forget anything, so it's pretty simple to use. Just name your costs to easily find it later, and define your period. You can, let's say, for example, for historical data, use a 1-year time frame, or you can use quarterly time frames, or even monthly if you had a month with really different costs for acquisition or retention. Once you define your period, you can add in here very specific costs, let's say for your Facebook ads for a period of 3 months, I don't know, Q1 for 2022, let's say. And retention costs, you could add in here also Facebook efforts that went into targeting existing customers, so those will be for retention. If you're looking at something more general, then we recommend that you add up your costs for a specific period of time, and you include any efforts to acquire new customers in the acquisition part. So you can include in here marketing campaigns, you can include traffic acquisition, developing landing pages, you can include what you spend on paid ads, and so on. For retention, obviously include efforts to keep existing customers, so to get them to a next purchase. And you can include in here loyalty programs, campaigns, retargeting campaigns, discounts based on previous purchase history, and so on. What Reveal will do is for the time frame that you select in the calendar here, we'll take the entire acquisition cost and will divide it equally for orders from customers that have their first order ever during this time frame. And for retention costs, obviously it will divide this total cost for orders from customers that are at least their second purchase. And just save, and you have a new cost in there, as we've seen before. You can edit these costs as well, or you can delete them. And that's it.